subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updates on Life of Glory and Guts.
This is a question again by one of the aspirant who's a part of the SSB recommendation blueprint journey, Sarthak Kumar Mishra. So this gentleman has asked a question, how to make 1 minute narration part full, clear and crisp and to the point and impactful to the viewers or listeners. And I'm sure this will be a question of a lot of you people as well, directly or indirectly, right? So now in order to answer this question, technically he has answered this, he has asked this question. It's not just a one question, but it is having 2-3 parts into it. So I'll give you a step-by-step way, first of all, a clarity on this, and then I'll give you a strategy to go forward with it. But before that, let me tell you one thing very clearly. All those who will do very focusedly and sincerely the screening success blueprint, they will technically not going to ask this question because I have already answered this question with the right strategies in that overall program module of screening success blueprint. But nevertheless, specific question is there. So there is no problem to address this question in a different way so that it gives you a more clarity. So now when we talk about a narration, and it's specifically referring to the PPDT, when you have done your written part, and after that you have to do a narration before the group discussion starts. So this particularly question is talking about that narration. Now, before we answer this question, there is a very, very important part which we need to understand in order to get the solution of this answer, this question. And that is, let's understand first of all, what is narration? So we need to understand what is narration because a lot of people technically don't understand the meaning of narration itself. The meaning of narration is to do a commentary. If you go by a very literal meaning of the word narration, the word narration means to do a commentary. Now, what is a commentary? So commentary is just like you must have seen a commentary of various matches going on, a cricket match or a soccer or football. Commentary is all about when you express a particular scenario or a situation that is happening in front of you, or in other words, you express a particular thing, what you are witnessing from your eye. Correct? Along with the witnessing part, there is a very important part. What you witness, you speak that, but with that witnessing, you also apply your perspective and your analysis to it. Example, you must have seen in cricket, whenever someone makes a shot, a sixer, commentator will always say, that was the sixer I was waiting for, because he's going into the perception that yes, this is the person who always makes like this. And then he'll tell that this shot was played. So he's going to give an analysis on a particular shot that has been done and what kind of a ball that was thrown. Technically, if you say, so the idea is in that narration, he's not just describing you what has happened, but he or she is also giving a particular analysis or the perspective that happened at that very moment. Correct? Understood, everyone? This is called as narration, right? Now, the biggest problem and the biggest mistake majority of aspirants do, they confuse narration with reading. They misinterpret the word narration as reading. So what they do, when the psychologist asks them in the screening, okay, young man, you are given 60 seconds, 50 seconds, you need to do a narration. So technically we do not do a narration, we do a reading. Agreed? Reading ही करते हैं ना generally, सब पढ़ने लग जाते हैं. Now, please understand there is a difference between the reading and narration. Now, what is the difference between reading and narration? When we do narration, which is called as a commentary, that is done what you witness. So that is what you have written through that hazy picture. And along with that, it also showcases your effective intelligence, your logical mind and your expression, your power of expression. So whenever you do a narration, there is always your emotions are being expressed in whatever you are saying. Correct? Whereas in reading, while you read something, reading is all about when you do not apply your mind, but you read the things as it is. But you read the things the way you have written. Just for example, you must have seen why it is called, there is a designation very precisely called as a reader. So his job is whatever you say as it is, he will read. आपने जो लिखा as it is दे देगा. Whereas narration is you narrate. हम कहते हैं ना यार उस particular scene का बखान करो. What does that mean? That does not mean you should say, okay, I saw a person in white shirt and that was going by a bicycle, and while going by a bicycle he was pedaling very fast. This is a kind of a reading. What is a narration? Narration is there is a young vibrant boy of 24 years with a white shirt, absolutely in a jolly mood, with a bicycle and in a very exuberant way driving his bicycle. What you are doing? आपने जो witness करा वो तो बता रहे हैं, but साथ साथ में you are doing your self analysis, your self thought process. Correct. So the idea is PPDT requires you to do a narration, not reading. So the first success tip for the answer to your question, Sarthak, is the first success tip is in PPDT, and to all the aspirants in PPDT, please do not do reading, do narration. What is asked to you is narration, so please stick on to the narration only. Don't do reading. Correct? So this is success tip 1. Now, success tip 2, which is very, very important. He says, as he says, how to make it clear and crisp. Correct? How to make it clear and crisp. Now, one thing is very clear. Also, let me clarify with the success tip number 1 only before I jump on to the success tip 2. When I say you need to do a narration, that also tells you one thing, that by chance, if you have missed out something while writing, or when you are doing narration, you feel that this could be better, it is always advisable you should express that thing which you really feel correct at that particular moment. It could be little off from what you have written. Because a lot of aspirants ask this question, कि सर मैंने पेज में कुछ लिखा था स्टोरी, अभी मैं नरेशन के वक्त कुछ और बोल सकता हूँ. Yes, you can say. The idea is because the psychologist has given you an opportunity that if you want to do some corrections, you can do it. So you must do it. And when it is narration, so narration is all about bakhan kijiye. It is not. अगर उसको read करना होता तो assessor would have said you, okay, gentlemen, you need to do the reading now. Correct? Okay. Now, success tip 2, which also answers the question how to make it clear and crisp. So success tip 2 for handling narration is do narration with a point shooter sniper style. Now, what do we mean by a point shooter sniper style? Tell me one thing. If you talk about any sniper, do you really bother that sniper was wearing which color shirt, where he was sitting, sniper, who was the sniper when he went? So at a particular point where he was sitting, which particular, I would say, thought that was going in his mind? Do we really bother about these things, or we are really bothered about that the target of the sniper? Second, being a sniper, he should not be recognized. And third, the target has to be achieved. It has to be finished. Are we bothered about the first things that I spoke, or the second thing? किस चीज के लिए bothered है? First or second?
Sir, the second things.
Second thing, absolutely. Sniper is always bothered with the second thing. इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है कौन से रंग की शर्ट पहनी है, घासों के पीछे है या जंगलों के पीछे है या झाड़ियों के पीछे है. मतलब ये है कि आप जिस टारगेट को शूट करने गए थे वो अचीव हुआ. सेकंड, जो आपकी पर्सनैलिटी एज अ स्नाइपर विच मीन्स यू शुड नॉट बी आइडेंटिफाइड, वो हुई अचीव. थर्ड, जो टारगेट आपको अचीव करना था वो करा नहीं था. Similarly, if you want to make it a clear and crisp in 60 seconds, work exactly like a point shooter sniper style, which means you must have a vibrant start and end. Lot of chaps, lot of aspirants, what mistake they do, I'll tell you. उनके 60 सेकंड इसलिए खत्म हो जाते हैं क्योंकि वो बीच में कहानी में घुमाते रहेंगे. Like I'll give an example. So if your storyline is very clear, they will start describing, okay, Ram was wearing this shirt, doing this, doing that. See, you don't have to do all those things. कहानी को आप जिसे कहते हैं ना, talk about directly point shooter. वो भैंस का बीन मत बजाइए आसपास घूमने में. ज्यादातर एस्पायरेंट्स के साथ क्या होता है, 60 सेकंड की विंडो में hardly they are not able to even narrate the half story and the assessor says time's up. होता नहीं होता? Anyone who has experienced it, tell me. Whenever you do narration, do you really feel when majority of aspirants who are doing, the time gets up and they are not even able to complete their half narration?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So why it happens? क्योंकि हम उसको बीच में घुमाते रहते हैं. Right? We keep on making it here and there. Right? So the idea is, the second very important point to make it clear and crisp is, do narration with a point shooter sniper style. Okay, is that correct? Right? The third important thing, to make the things clear and cut and to do a narration with a time pressure. This can only happen when you have the third important element, which you already know, which you are doing in every course module. And this is the tool which I have given you in the screening success blueprint also. But let me say here also as a third success tip. And that is I have already given you, and that is narration self-assessment tool. What is this NSA? NSA is, so the idea is, आपकी जो भी commentator है, anyone who is very good in speaking in commentary, he or she will only get more fine tune once he or she do a practice of it. क्योंकि क्या होता है, जब आप practice करते हो तो आपका जो linguistics है वो अपने आप adjust हो जाता है. आपको time pressure लेना आ जाता है कि एकदम से shot मारा उसको कैसे express करना है. Time pressure लेना आ जाता है. Thirdly, lot of people who are very confident, very intelligent, having a lot of content in their mind, but who are not so fluent, आपकी fluency develop हो जाती है. So the third thing, which is a success tip for you, in order to achieve both the first and the second success tip. First success tip is called as do narration, not reading. And second, for clear and crisp, do in a point shooter sniper style. इन दोनों को अचीव करने के लिए आपको थर्ड स्टेप करना पड़ेगा, and that is called as self gearing. And self gearing through an NSA tool, narration self assessment tool. What is this tool? You don't have to do anything. Simple. I have given this tool already in the course module, but again I am telling you people. So the tool is very simple. You write a story. After writing a story, get ready for narration. Okay. When you get ready for narration, exactly by a stopwatch 60 seconds, in your phone, start the recording part. Okay. So in your phone, start the voice recording. अभी voice recording को शुरू करो, and शुरू करने के बाद do your narration. And exactly after 60 seconds, stop. After 60 seconds, when you will stop, plug in that recording in your own ears and listen to it, what you have spoken. अभी जब आप ये करोगे, तो how this NSA scientifically works, let me tell you that also. So NSA works scientifically in a way, whenever you listen to your own self, what you have spoken with your presence of mind, so technically you are able to achieve secret number 1, which is called as scan yourself, self introspect. ऐसा होता है ना, हम जब बहुत सारी चीजें बोलते हैं, just tell me one thing. Lot of time you must have seen when you talk to your friends over the call and technically कभी आपके साथ friends आपके prank करते हैं, वो recording करके बाद में आपको भेजते हैं और जब आप अपनी recording बाद में सुनते हो तो आपको हंसी नहीं आ रही होती, अरे यार मैं ऐसे बोल रहा था, ऐसे बोल रही थी. Have you experienced it ना कि यार अरे यार मैं ऐसे बोलता हूँ, मतलब this is the way. Because what happens is when we speak we are not so conscious about what we are speaking. हम लोगों को इतना आभास नहीं होता कि हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, और जब टाइम प्रेशर ज्यादा होता है तब तो आभास और नहीं होता, बस हमारे मुंह से निकल जाता है. अभी वो क्या निकला ये पता तो हो. So this NSA activity will help you do self introspection, that is called as scanning yourself, and once you will do it you will realize okay this is my mistake. Like I'll give you an example. इस NSA से आपको एक बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट होगा. जैसे आपने बहुत लोगों की एक हैबिट सुनी होगी, कुछ कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. जैसे यू मस्ट हैव सीन few people will always use in their speech everywhere, you may do this, I may have done this, correct? May. Now it is always said may is a doubt word, right? Correct. Example, now someone says that I never realized कि ये मैं word को इतना यूज करता हूं, which is not right. So ये पता कब लगेगा? जब आपको ये पता होगा कि आप करते क्या हो. Correct? So in this NSA, what do you need to do? Go do narration. Before doing the narration, start your recorder in the phone. Once the narration ends up, turn it off, plug in the headphones and listen to your own recording. जब आप पहली बारी सुनोगे तो आपको शॉक लगेगा. मैं गारंटी दे सकता हूं, जब आप पहली बारी सुनोगे तो आपको शॉक लगेगा अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग सुन के. So you might say कि इतना पैथेटिक बोलता हूं मैं, इतनी पैथेटिक मैं, मेरी मतलब दिस इज माय, इतनी पैथेटिक स्पीच है मेरी, दिस इज हाउ आई रिप्रेजेंट. जैसे ही आपको ये पता लग गया ना, आप समझो आपकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन शुरू हो गई. बिकॉज इट्स अ गुड थिंग, यू हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट आई एम सो पैथेटिक. नाउ यू हैव अ चांस टू नो ओके दिस इज माय प्रॉब्लम. And now when you keep on doing this NSA with let's say 15, 20, 30 narration, I can guarantee you that after those 25, 30 narration, you will become so fine-tuned in your narration that you will say that yes, now what I say, I do also realize it. I am not absolutely unconscious while speaking. क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस करके और सेल्फ एनालाइज करके आपको ये कमांड आ जाएगी कि मैं क्या बोलता हूं, क्या बोलती हूं और उसमें क्या गलती कर दी. So you will grill yourself. Correct? So once you grill yourself, automatically your overall narration will going to improve, or in other words I can say your both the targets will be achieved, or both the success tips which I have given you will be achieved. That is number one, to have an effective tight intelligence which showcases your effective intelligence, showcases your logical reasoning, your expression, and which is not just like a reading. And secondly, it will become clear and crisp, and you will going to knock the game in 60 seconds just like a point shooter style. Right? Correct? I, Ujjwal Chugh, owe my success to one of my mentors, that is Indian Armed Forces. Therefore, it is my dharma to give back to the system. Thus, I am on a mission to help 100,000 aspirants to get into the Indian Armed Forces. Become the part of the mission to start your SSB recommendation journey today. I have committed myself to the success of true IAF aspirants. Jai Hind.